Namaste. I, Dr. Tanmay Goswami, on behalf of Give Academy, here in front of you all with this series of today's life design, which we started on June 1st. Today is June 25th, Thursday. If you people really enjoy this series, don't forget to press like button and subscribe the channel, because I am going to give beautiful cosmic influence on human psyche and its solution, what to eat and what type of yoga should be done every day, so you can get YouTube videos notifications. Doctor, June 25th, Thursday, is actually 4th lunar day. 4th size of the moon in upward direction is coming in front of Ashlesha set of stars. Now, this is the star which is very aggressive set of stars. Moon become very aggressive because Chaturthi is a day of fighting, war, and Ashlesha is when it mixes with moon, it gives spatial power to win enemy, to conquer those who want to destroy you. It's a very good day for countries, those who have got damaged by someone and they want to retaliate. Don't use this power on innocents or just for the sake of ego. But if injustice happen, this is the best day to take your justice back with power. Surprisingly, half of the day is actually moon remains in Cancer set of stars, means in Ashlesha, but in evening this is moving to Magha in Leo's set of stars. So it's a mixed day. In the morning part is very aggressive and evening part is also very powerful. But this time is Ashadha Masa. It's a time when summer is completing and rainy season is starting. It's a quite mixed period in the matter of internal physical energy and emotional energy and digestive capacity. So my request to my friends that don't eat heavy food, or if you want to eat heavy food, as I said always, rule of Ayurveda is take in lesser quantity. Try to take some spices which are very friendly for your stimulation of digestive fire, and that is ginger powder, Himalayan salt and black pepper. As far as asana is concerned, this is the time for moon's aggressive energy. So do Ardha Chandrasana. You can go to Google and you can find Ardha Chandrasana. Here I am going to give you what is it, how it should be done. And also Bhujangasana, because Ashlesha is a constellation of set of stars ruled by serpent god. And as far as your spiritual energy is concerned, try to remember Shiva to control your anger. Say Om Namah Shivaya as much as possible, at least 108 times. As far as your luck is concerned, your destiny is concerned, it's a day of fight against injustice towards you or to your society or to your people. But don't use your power, again I am repeating, to harm anyone. Shubha Mangalam.